Make these waterproof holographic stickers with me. I'm going to use the new Cricut Joy Xtra along with printable waterproof sticker sets in white and holographic. I have made a project in Design Space and personalized with names. Then I flattened each design and attached them all together before clicking Make It. I printed them out on an inkjet printer and added the holographic vinyl overlay. It has this easy peel strip which helps you apply it evenly, and a great trick to getting this bubble free is to use a ruler when applying. It always works out nicely, so I highly recommend this tip. Once that is done, I place it onto the cutting mat and into the Cricut machine, which will start cutting out all the stickers. Apply to your items and now you have personalized waterproof stickers to use on your projects.